Welcome back to my channel mga kapanalig, and for today's video, pag-uusapan nga natin ng skilltech.ph. So skilltech.ph is an online reviewer for your AMT license and MTP entrance exam. So basically, this is made by Filipino aircraft mechanics for Filipino aircraft mechanics. So mga Pinoy na mekaniko po natin yung gumawa nito, nag-create nito, and mga seniors natin. So malaki na yung kaalaman nila sa industriya natin. So, ano-ano ba yung ino-offer sa skilltech.ph? So, we have CAAP 101. This is free kung bibili kayo ng CAAP Knowledge Exam, which is used for your theoretical exam. Yan yung written exam nyo. And yung practical reviewer, which is the actual reviewer for your CAAP license. So, again, we have for AMT and AMS. We also have our bestseller, our CAAP Knowledge, which is 3,999 for 3 months. And if for 6 months, it's 5,999. So, eto naman po ay para sa written exam nyo sa AMT and AMS license. Ayan. So, sa AVT natin. So, many of you are wondering bakit tumataas, bakit wala na masyadong promo, ganyan. Because we're actually sustaining po yung pag-develop ng app. Kasi hindi naman ganun rin kamura mag-develop ng app. And we all know naman na yung iba is pinipirata. So, sana wag naman po natin piritahin. Tulungan natin na ma-develop pa yung app na ito para mas marami pa tayong matulungan. So, ayan. So, we have CAAP 101 and then CAAP Knowledge. And then, we also have CAAP Practical. So, eto yung ginagamit natin for practical exam nyo sa CAAP. So, this is still in beta and limited time only pa lang siya. So, ayan. If you are going to have your CAAP Practical exam, you can buy this and ayun, free na yung CAAP 101. The good thing here is that for CAAP Knowledge, we have 200 pesos off. So ayan, i-click nyo lang yung here, doon sa have a discount coupon, click here. Pag click nyo yan, I'll be generating my coupon or my code, and then you will be able to avail 200 pesos off. You will then enter the code here, yan sa enter coupon code. And you will be able to see the payment instruction. So that's via GCash. You can transfer from bank to GCash or GCash to GCash, online bank to GCash, or any other online wallet to GCash. Ayan. So makikita nyo dito na while we are actually validating your payment, dun sa activate now, it will be grayed out. It's waiting for confirmation muna. And then after a few minutes, it will be this picture na, yung activate now. Please do note na by default, deactivated yung account. So, if you like, sige, bilhin ko muna siya pero parang hindi pa ako ready mag-exam or mag-review, then you can activate it later. So, parang buy now, activate later yung atake niya. So, ayun. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng aviators na tumatangkilik ng skilltech.ph. Isang malaking tulong. And of course, sa tulong nyo, actually nakapagbigay tayo ng electric fan sa aviation school sa Cebu, sa PhilSCA Cebu. So, ayan. And we're planning more help to extend sa mga aviation schools natin. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat mga panalig. And of course, always support me with my social media, Happy Phil, and then of course, skilltech.ph and Airman Clothing. Ayun lang. Maraming salamat mga kapanalig.